Everstage for Sales Commissions and Incentive Compensation Management, a Beginner's Guide. Effectively managing sales commissions and incentive compensation is a cornerstone of driving business success. To simplify these processes, Everstage offers a comprehensive solution designed to eliminate manual calculations, reduce errors, and foster transparency. By automating complex compensation structures, Everstage empowers business to motivate their sales teams and enhance overall performance. This guide provides a detailed overview for beginners on how to utilize Everstage to its fullest potential. Everstage core features make it an indispensable tool for business aiming to streamline commission management. Automated commission calculations save time and minimize errors, while customizable compensation plans ensures adaptability to diverse business needs. Real-time dashboards provide transparency, enabling sales teams to track their performance and earnings. The tool's integration capabilities with CRM and ERP system ensure seamless data synchronization, and advanced analytics offer actionable insights into sales trends and compensation efficiency. To begin using Everstage, the first step is account setup. Users can sign up on the Everstage website by entering their name, email, and company details. Setting up the organization involves inputting key business information such as industry type, team size, and sales structure. Assigning user roles is a critical step, as it ensures team members have access to the appropriate functionalities. Once roles are defined, users can invite team members to the platform and integrate Everstage with their CRM or data sources like Salesforce or HubSpot. This integration facilitates seamless synchronization of sales data, which is essential for accurate commission calculations. Navigating the Everstage dashboard is intuitive and user-friendly. The dashboard acts as a command center, offering key sections such as Home, where users can view overview commission payouts and performance metrics. The Plans section enables the creation and management of compensation plans, while Data Management is used for uploading and maintaining sales data. The Reports section provides access to detailed performance and incentive reports, and the Settings tab allows for configuring integrations, user roles, and preferences. Understanding these sections ensures efficient navigation and optimal utilization of the platform. Creating and managing compensation plans is a key function within Everstage. Setting up a new plan begins in the Plans section. Users can create a new plan by naming it and defining eligibility criteria, such as specific roles or individuals. Performance metrics including revenue, new client acquisition, or specific product sales can be selected to align with business objectives. Everstage offers flexibility in defining payout structures, allowing for flat rate, tiered, or percentage-based commissions. Users can also add bonuses or milestones-based incentives to motivate sales teams further. Once finalized, the plan can be activated and monitored for performance. Active plans can be edited, paused, or deactivated as needed, ensuring alignment with evolving business goals. Data management is another critical aspect of using Everstage effectively. Accurate sales data is vital for reliable commission calculations. Users can upload data in formats like CSV or Excel by navigating to the Data Management section. During the upload process, Everstage provides field mapping functionality, ensuring that columns such as salesperson name, revenue, and date are correctly aligned with the platform's field. Validation tools automatically check for errors or inconsistency in the data, highlighting issues for correction. Once validated, the data is ready for use in commission calculations. To reduce manual effort, Everstage also supports automated data updates through CRM integration or scheduled data uploads. Commission calculation and review are streamlined in Everstage. Users can navigate to the Calculation section, select a compensation plan, and define the desired time period for calculations. Once initiated, the platform processes the data and generates results, which can be reviewed in detailed summaries. These summaries provide insights into individual earnings, targets, and payouts. offering transparencies to sales teams. If discrepancies arise, manual adjustments can be made by accessing individual records and applying corrections. Updated calculations ensure that the adjustments are accurately reflected. Reporting and analytics are central to Everstage value proposition. The platform's reporting tools allow users to track performance and gain insights into compensation efficiency. Users can access the Reports section to generate reports tailored to their needs. Options include commission summaries, quota attainment, and performance breakdowns by region or product. Filters such as time period, team, or individual sales reps can be customized to refine report parameters. Reports can be exported in PDF, Excel, or CSV formats for further analysis or sharing. Additionally, Everstage's analytics tools help identify top-performing sales reps, analyze trends and quota attainment, and assess the ROI of incentive plans. Sales team management is significantly enhanced by Everstage's transparency and real-time updates. Sales representatives can log into their accounts to view their earnings, track progress toward targets, and access detailed breakdowns of commissions and bonuses. This visibility fosters trust and empowers sales teams to focus on achieving their goals. Integration and automation capabilities further enhance the platform's functionality. Everstage integrates seamlessly with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, SAP, and Snowflake, ensuring a unified workflow. Automation features reduce administrative workload by automating tasks such as data uploads, commission calculations, and report generation. These capabilities ensure consistent and efficiency across compensation process. Troubleshooting and support are integral to a smooth user experience. Everstage offers solutions to common issues such as data import errors, calculation discrepancies, and performance lags. The platform's knowledge base provides comprehensive guides and FAQs for self-help. For real-time assistance, users can access live chat support, while email support is available for more complex queries. In conclusion, Everstage is a powerful tool for managing sales commissions, and reporting tools make it an ideal solution for business aiming to enhance transparency, motivate sales teams, and achieve financial goals. By leveraging Everstage features, organizations can streamline operations, build trust, and drive performance. For beginners, the platform's user-friendly design and extensive support resources ensure a smooth onboarding experience. Start exploring Everstage today and transform your approach to sales compensation management.